Hi, and welcome to the Amy Brown Science Learning Lab, where science is a cinch. I'm Amy Brown, and today we'll be tackling community ecology. First up, what is a community? A community consists of all of the living organisms found in a particular area. For example, a forest community might consist of all of the trees, birds, deer, fungi, insects, mosses, and any other living organisms in the forest. So, we can say that community ecology is the study of interactions between organisms of a community as well as their impact on the ecosystem in which they live. One important feature of a community is species richness. Species richness is the number of species found in a particular community. Species richness varies with latitude, and generally the closer a community is to the equator, the more species it will contain. In addition to the number and type of species in an area, community ecologists are also very interested in studying how those species interact with one another. Let's dive deeper and learn about several of those important community interactions and how they impact our own lives. One type of community interaction is mutualism. In a mutualistic relationship, both species benefit from the interaction. Let's look at an example. Bees have a very mutualistic relationship with flowering plants. Bees benefit from the flowers by feeding on their nectar, and flowers benefit from the bees because the bees spread pollen to neighboring flowers. This mutually beneficial interaction is one that is also very important to humans to protect. Bees are vitally important to the sustainability of modern agriculture. At least 1/3 of the human food supply from crops and plants depends on insect pollination, most of which is done by bees. So, if you've enjoyed a yummy apple or a sweet strawberry lately, chances are you should thank the bees. One other example of community interaction is parasitism. In a parasitic relationship, one species is helped by the relationship while the other species is harmed. Common external parasites that impact humans include fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes. These parasites benefit by feeding on the blood of its host, and the host is harmed by the bite of the parasite and potentially by diseases carried by that parasite. Mosquitoes alone carry several diseases, including Zika, West Nile, chikungunya, dengue, and malaria. The CDC devotes sizable public health resources to the mitigation of these diseases, which started as a parasitic community interaction. Thanks for watching the Amy Brown Science Learning Lab. For more resources, take a look at the links below, and don't forget to subscribe.